Viewers, in this video you will learn what is BODMAS rule and how can we use it when different operations are involved in one step. So let's start our video. In BODMAS, B means bracket and O means order, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, and S means subtractions. So, first, if we have all the operations involved in one step, we have to remove the bracket. And in bracket, there is also a order. We have different brackets. First one is round bracket. We have to solve round bracket first. After that, we have to solve parenthesis, and after that we have to solve large bracket or square bracket. So bracket order means first we have to solve this bracket, after that we have to solve this bracket, and after that at the end we have to solve this bracket. Okay, after that we have to solve division. We have to solve division. After that we have to solve multiplications. We have to solve multiplication. After that we have addition, and the last subtraction and addition. These addition and subtraction are exchangeable. Apply this rule to a question. Question is 4 multiply 8 divided by 2 into 4 plus 2 into 6 divided by 3, and small bracket close and large bracket close. This is the question in which different operations are involved. Also there are two brackets. So according to BODMAS, we have to remove bracket, or we can say that we have to solve bracket first. And in bracket also there is a specific order which says the first bracket will be small bracket, and bracket we should solve first this bracket, small bracket. So this one should be solved first. So let's solve them. 4 multiply 8 divided by 2 large bracket 4 plus 2, and this will be solved first. So 6 divided by 3 means 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3, the answer is 2. So we will write here 2. So this bracket is solved. So this bracket has been solved. So after that we will solve the large bracket. So 4 multiply 8 divided by 2, and we have to solve the large bracket. But in large bracket there are two operations. The first one addition, and the second one is a multiplication. This 2 is multiplied with 2. So according to BODMAS, we have to solve multiplications. So and in this bracket we have to solve first this operation which is multiplied. So 4 here, and 2 multiplied 2 is we can write as 4. So this bracket is also is going to be solved. 4 multiply 8 divided by 2, and now there is a only one operation which is a addition. So 4 plus 4, which we can write as 8. Now there is a multiplied sign. So it means it is simple multiplication. This bracket has been solved. So all the bracket has been solved. We can write as 4 multiply 8 divided by 2, and this 8 is multiplied with this operations. So this 8 is just in multiplications. Now according to BODMAS, division will be solved first. So we can write as 4 multiplied, and 8 multiply 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 means 8. If we have to divide 8 divided by 2, the answer is 4, and this 8 is here. So 4 4 16, 4 times 4, 4 times 4 16. So here 4 times 4 16, and 16 is multiplied with 8. This we can write as 16 multiplied 8 become 128. So that's how when different operations are involved we have to apply the BODMAS rule. Next question is 16 divided by 2 multiply with 4 into 8 multiply 4 divided by 4. So now we will solve this question using a BODMAS rule. So according to BODMAS rule, bracket order means we have to solve first this bracket, and after that we have to solve large bracket. So let's solve this bracket. 16 divided by 2 multiply with 4 into, so in this bracket there is multiplication sign, so 8 times 4 means 32, so 32 here, and divided by 4. After that we have to solve this bracket, so 16 divided by 2 multiply with 4, and 32 divided by 4 means if we divide 32 divide by 4, our answer will be 8. So we will write here. Now all the bracket has been solved, so we have to after that we have to solve a divide, because according to board mass rule division operation will be solved first. So 16 divided by 2 mass rule, we have to solve division first. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. So here we write 8 and multiply with 4, and this bracket is just for multiplication, so we will write here multiply sign. So 8 times 4 times 8, 8 times 4 means 32, so we write 32, and here we write multiply 8. If we multiply 32 with 8, our answer will be 256. So that's how we use both mass rules when different operations are involved in one step.